So, good morning to all my dear students. Once again, welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Maua, Standard 8, Subject English, Semester 2, Unit 1, Writing about Writing. So, my dear students, in previous session we discussed about a boy named Tom who was painting the wall, but that was not enough because a little part he could paint. Then afterwards he was seeing that very little he has painted, so he was very much tired, and then he was sitting very tiresome. Then another boy, Jim, came there. He was also working for the family. His work to go and bring water. Then Tom told him that we will exchange our work. You do one thing, paint the wall, the fence, and I will go and I will bring water. But Jim denied. Then Tom said to Jim, "Are you afraid of Aunt Polly? She won't hurt you." At that time, Tom told to Jim that you are afraid of Aunt Polly, that she will punish you. Don't worry, don't afraid of her. She will not say anything. She won't hurt you, she will not punish you. She talks about it, but talk never hurts. She will simply say, simply scold, but she never hurt you. Okay, because she is very emotional lady. It never hurts except when she weeps. It never hurts except when she weeps. She is very emotional. Sometimes she will cry, but she will not hurt you. She will not scold you. Also, you should not be afraid of her. So don't be afraid of her, Tom said to Jim. But Jim, I will give you one of my plaything. Then Tom said that if you paint the fence instead of me, then I will give one toy, one plaything to you. And I will show you my foot. I will show you where I hurt, and my foot I will show, because I got hurt on my foot. That hurt, that wound also I will show you. I will show you where I hurt it, because small children, sometimes somebody is hurt. Very interestingly, they will see, they will watch. So, like that, Tom said that I got injured. I got injury, that I will show you to Jim, he said. Jim was only human. Then finally, Jim came in his trap. And Jim was human. Jim said, okay, no problem. You give me plaything. You will show me where you hurt. Then I will paint your fence. He took the plaything. Jim took plaything from Tom. And he put his head down to look at the foot. And then afterwards he was very minutely he was observing where Tom got hurt. So he was putting his head down to look the foot. In another moment, he was running down the street. But next moment, what happened? Jim ran from there, running down the street. He ran from there. And Tom, who was painting, he started his painting as fast as possible. Okay, earlier both were talking, Tom and Jim. But after some moment, what happened? Tom started painting very fast, and Jim, he was also running from there. What was the reason? Aunt Polly was returning to the house, because Aunt Polly came there. By seeing, on seeing Aunt Polly, both started that work. Jim ran from there to fill the water, and Tom started painting. Okay. Notice that the writer does not tell us what happened that made Jim run away and Tom start painting as fast as possible. But we know that Aunt Polly came, that is why they started their work. The writer does tell us that Aunt Polly was returning to the house because Aunt Polly was taking care of these children. She was coming home. By seeing her, they ran away. And Tom was doing his work. This means that Aunt Polly must have been outside with Jim and Tom. That means Aunt Polly was there. What do you imagine happened when Aunt Polly was outside? So when Aunt Polly was outside, what do you imagine? What do you imagine? What will happen when Aunt Polly was outside? That you can write in your rough notebook for your understanding. What you understand, that you can write this. This is your homework. Okay. So my dear students, here is the end of today's session. Here we will stop. We will continue later on. Okay. So thank you very much.